Now we have our Edelweiss complete. As you can see, there it is right there, but we're missing the stand that goes with it, and I'll show you how to do that. That's really easy. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our piece of paper that we have here, and we're going to do a fish base. This is how the fish base is started. We're going to start here. Just going to fold it in half like so. Work it in, make sure the corners come out really nice. Just score it with my finger now. Gonna open it up. Flip it backwards. Make sure the score is good and complete. With it open, white side up, I'm going to fold the two sides into it, like so. There we go.